Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today we are making a simple but delicious oat muffins. So guys, let's get right into the video. To get started, soak oats with milk and let stand for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, while the oats are soaking, we're gonna go ahead and mix all the dry ingredients into my flour. I'm gonna add baking powder. I'm gonna also add in baking soda. I'm also adding in salt and cinnamon. Then I'm gonna whisk everything together until it's well mixed. Set that aside. Now let's move on to the wet ingredients. In a large bowl, mix together eggs. We're gonna follow with oil. Beat well until well combined. Now we're gonna go in with brown sugar. Mix this for 2 minutes until the sugar has dissolved slightly. After 2 minutes, add applesauce. Then we're gonna whisk everything together until well combined. The mixture looks good. Now it's time to add in soaked oats. Mix well until well combined. Now it's time to add our dry ingredients. Add in the flour mixture. Mix just until combined. Do not overmix, guys. The batter looks good. Now we are going to divide the batter among the paper liners. This batter yields 12 muffins. Once all the cups are filled, we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle oats on top. Then we're gonna bake this at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. Then we're gonna reduce oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue to bake for another 15 minutes. I just pulled the muffins out of the oven, guys. Let the muffins cool in the pan for a few minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for, guys? Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time Mama Bui uploads a new video. These muffins, guys, have a light, airy crumbs and a moist interior. Let me go ahead, guys, and open one and show you how they look inside. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honey.